Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. To enable or disable it, we need to enter developer options. So if you don't know how to enable developer options on your phone, you can check video at this channel. We have it just for your device. And you cannot do this on your iPhone because there's no developer options in iPhone. Now, once you enable it, you need to go to the settings, then scroll down and click at the system line. Now scroll down again, and right here we have developer options. Enter here, and we need to scroll down again and find HD audio, but we can also use a search, and we can write HD. Right here, here's HD audio, it's located at the developer options, tap at this line. So right here we have it. Now, to disable it, you need to tap one time at this slider, if the slider have a colorful background. To enable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have empty background. And once you enable it, now you can swap between Bluetooth audio codecs. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!